Hey, Tamiko, it's Alex Perkins. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Awesome, awesome. Glad to hear it. Say it. I'm assuming so because you texted me, but is now still a good time for you if this works?
It is.
Amazing. Okay, very good. So as promised, we spent the day kind of looking at this one, figuring out what our options might be and what we can do for you here. So I do have some numbers I can give to you here. Just before I do that, the underwriters always do want me to ask this question here at the end of this call. Do you feel like, if we agree on price and terms and everything like that, and you haven't have had an opportunity to ask as many questions as you need, do you feel totally comfortable, making a solid yes no decision?
Yeah,
Okay, awesome, awesome. So if everything works out, this is something you would be willing to move forward on.
I would.
Okay, great, great. The only reason I have to ask that is a lot of people, maybe they're too nice and they don't want to tell me no, and and they tell me a maybe instead. So, which I understand. But the only challenge then for us is it ties up our resources, our manpower, our funding that we set aside for each property. So, as long as you're totally cool, just telling me to kick rocks if this doesn't work for you, then we're good to go. Is that fair?
Oh, it's fair. Oh no,
Oh,
I don't like my time to be wasted either, so
oh.
I'm good.
Well, I appreciate the heck out of you for that. So. Awesome. Okay. And here we are. This one we were looking at, we can get it done in a 30-day close. We're going to pay all the closing costs. We're going to take care of all the fees. We're going to take over that mortgage of about 517,000. And then on top of
Mhm.
that, in terms of cash to you at the close of escrow, we are able to do $3,900.
3,900. I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
Could I could I at least take the refrigerator and the washer and dryer then?
Hmm. Usually we do everything that's like a fixed is a part of the property. The washer and dryer, not really a fixed. Refrigerator, not really fixed. I mean, if we did give you the those appliances, I think we could do a deal here. If we give you the
Yeah.
appliances, does
Mhm.
3,900 work net to you?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
All
It's
right.
just that I'm still paying on those appliances, and if I was getting more, then it would, I could just pay them off. But then I would need appliances for the new place, so
Right.
that's
Right.
why I was like, they ain't gonna get no appliances. So if I can just take, what I have here, then that would work.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Well, that sounds great then. I think we can come together. We can make that happen. Um, all right. I think if do you have any other questions for me at this time?
Now, so let me just get this right. So we'll do
Yep.
a 30-day close.
Yes.
We'll do 517, well, the mortgage. We'll do
Mhm.
that. Then we'll do, and then 3,900 will come to me.
Mhm.
And then I can take the washer, dryer, and the refrigerator.
Yes.
And okay, so then we did say we would talk about how does that assumable, and I looked it up. So basically, you'll pull me off of the house, and then you'll put your date yourself on it. Just explain that to me.
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
we buy this property just like any other regular sale. So we're going to go through a title
Mhm.
company. They're going to do a title search,
Mhm.
and then they're going to
Mhm.
remove your name from the title and then put our name on the
Mhm.
title after everything's said and done at the closing day. The
Oh, okay.
creative part of this transaction is it deals with the debt on the property. So on that we buy the house subject to the existing financing. So we take over
Mhm.
that underlying debt that you have
Mhm.
through a licensed servicing
Mhm.
company so that it can get removed from your debt to income ratio and everything like that. And essentially
Okay.
that's the reason we're able to pay more money.
Oh, okay. And so then what are the next steps then? Since I told you that sounds good.
Okay, yeah. So the next steps would basically be we would get an agreement together. I would type this up. It'd probably take me 5 or 10 minutes, and then all we have to do
Hmm.
is we're gonna go over it together. We're gonna make sure that you understand everything, I understand everything. There's no typos, errors,
Hmm.
nothing like that. And then if everything looks good, we can send that agreement to the title company, and they can start doing their title search.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That sounds like a plan to me.
Awesome, awesome. So I guess I can start typing this up right now. It really only takes 5 or 10 minutes to type up, and maybe another 5 minutes to go over together. Do you have time right now to do that?
I do.
Okay, amazing, amazing. I will. It's probably best if I just give you a call back here in about 5 minutes. Does that work for you?
That's fine. Yeah, you
Awesome.
can call me back.
All right, Tamiko. I will give you a call back in about 5 minutes. I super look forward to working with you, and I appreciate your upfront and your honesty. And we'll be in touch here in just a couple minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
There's a 50% chance we're about to get through this contract. I wasn't sure what she meant. Hopefully, she doesn't think we're assuming it. I apologize. I looked on the tax records. Is your first name Angela?
Nope.
Oh,
And that's my middle name.
oh, okay,
First name's
okay,
Tamiko.
okay. Gotcha. I wasn't sure if I was calling
Mhm.
you the wrong name the whole time.
Mm-mm. No, no, no.
Okay, okay, awesome, awesome. All right. Do you have email on your phone, or are you gonna do you get to a computer here?
I'm here at my computer.
Okay, amazing, amazing.
Yes.
Okay, I just sent it. And we can do this however you prefer here. Some people like to literally go line by line, sentence by sentence. Some people prefer
Mhm.
to hit the important stuff. Either is 100% totally fine with me. You just let me know. We'll do that.
Looks like it's finished.
Okay, let's see if I get it back on my side here. And I think it did come through. So awesome. Well, all right, Tamiko. I am super, super excited to do business with you here. And congratulations on the sale of your house. How's it feel?
Thank you. Good.
Good, good. Awesome, 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 awesome. Well, yeah, like I was saying, I am super excited to do this with you. We have a rock star team, so we're gonna make this as easy and painless as a real estate transaction can possibly be. I will send you an email introducing you to Lexi. She is our transaction coordinator. She's gonna help basically set up everything um, with the title company, so she deals with all the timelines, all the documents. She'll be able to give you all the updates and everything like that. And I'm also going to shoot you a text with a group text with my operations manager. So they basically they handle any, when we do go to set up an inspection, just kind of making sure it fits with your timeline and everything like that there too. So um, that should be good
Okay.
there. But one last question here.
Mhm.
I'm always trying to get better, trying to feed my family, do more deals, help my team, that sort of thing.
Mhm.
Was there anything in particular that did make you want to go with us?
That did make me want to go with you.
Yeah, that did.
Um, well, one, you're a very nice person. I mean, you were very um you explained everything. I thought that was really good. You were very nice. And I like the fact that you were really upfront. You was like, look, here's three options.
Hmm.
These are the options. Does any of this sound good to you? Because I don't want to waste your time, and I'm sure you don't want to waste mine. In a nutshell, that's what you were saying to
Hmm.
me, and I appreciated that. And it was something that I really wanted to do, and I kind of explained that to you, and you said, "Hey, this is the time I'm available. Um, I can, reach back out to you," and I thought that was good. So I think overall, just doing business with I mean, you were just pleasant to work with.
Oh, well, Tamika, that is so sweet of you saying. I really appreciate you. Um, well, I am super pumped to do this. And if do you have any other questions or anything else that I can help with or anything I can answer right now?
No, the only other thing I just need to send you my bank statement, the mortgage
Yep.
statement for now, email it to you.
Awesome.
You will have
Awesome.
it in your email box here shortly, okay?
Amazing. Well, that sounds great. I'm going to shoot you an email right now introducing you to Lexi, and I'll probably shoot you a text introducing you to Araceli as well. She's our operations manager, so you'll meet the whole team, and we'll take care of you here. So I'm super excited. But if you don't have anything else right now, I wish you a great night, and I look forward to working with you.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye bye.
All right. Bye bye. Hit him with that post close. I wanted to record that one because I thought she was going to put up more of a fight over $3,900, but she kind of just laid down. It's like, well, can I keep the refrigerator? I'm like, I don't know. Can I keep the refrigerator? Yeah, you can keep the refrigerator. Let's do a deal. Damn, didn't even have to do any objections. That's all right.